So guys, I'm going to explain about question number 10. Right, till now we have solved question number till question number 9, and that all the videos are there in the YouTube channel. You can also watch that too. It is all the basic like question I solved in coding using JavaScript. So you can also visit there. And right, so the question number 10 is write a program to print the reverse of a string. This is the question number 10. Okay, so it means key like write a program to print the reverse of string. So I'm going to explain how it actually is working. So step 1, actually we define the input string. So I just wrote where input string is equal to hello world. So what happened in there, okay, in this step you define the input string you wanted to reverse. Okay, this one, and in this example we are using string hello world. In step 2, initialize an empty string for storing the reverse string. Like whatever string you wanted to reverse, just give them empty string. Okay, then come to the step 3. What happening is there, here we create an empty string called reverse string that will store the reverse version of the input string. Okay, in step 3, what's happening, we use a for loop to iterate through the character in the input string. We start from the last character at index input string length -1, input string dot length -1, and move toward to the first character at index 0. Okay, now inside the loop we append each character to the reverse string in reverse order. This effectively builds the reverse string. Now come to the fourth. What we're doing here, output the reverse string. Okay, so what happened in this final step, we use console.log to print both original string and the reverse string, okay, to the console. When you run this code with the input string hello world, it will output this, right? This is the thing you will get: original string hello world, reverse string hello world. In that way you will get that is a part of the reverse string question. And let's meet in the question number 11, guys. In next video I will update today, or maybe today I will update. Okay, so let's meet in the next video.